In this video, we're going to create a mega menu for our website. Hi, my name is Stratos, and we're building a website using the Oxygen website builder. For those of you who have seen a video of mine, this is the first time that you see my face, and it may be a surprise for you. It's a surprise for me too, and I'm not very good with the camera. I didn't know if I want to show my face. First, when I started this channel, I thought it's only web tutorials. I don't need to show my face, and maybe this is the case, but it helps building some trust with you guys. And it is also nice to put a face in the voice that you're hearing. So this is me. I have a ponytail in case that you haven't seen it. Okay, this is how I look. So I don't know if I'm going to make other videos with myself in the video with the camera on, but let's go and start the tutorial. So I'm going to start by copying this URL, and I'm going to count the in the GTmetrix how many requests we have, and we're going to use a plugin to create our mega menu. So the Oxygen team has already created a video with a mega menu, and they used only some coding, but I wanted to create another video to show that there is an easier way to create a mega menu. Okay, so we have 32 requests at this time, so let's start building. We're going to the plugins, we're going to add a new plugin, and the plugin name is Mega Menu. So let's go for a mega, the word mega. I think you don't have to put anything else, it's the max mega menu, and it's the first choice that you have seen. You see here, it has over 300,000 active installation and 5 to 5 stars. And for a free plugin, it can do amazing stuff. Let's go and activate that. And now let's go to appearances and menus. If you have worked with the WordPress theme, you have maybe seen that here it will display some locations. And once you start creating your menu, you will have to check a location here, so the menu will be displayed in the front end. But with Oxygen, it's not the case. You don't have to create something here, so you don't have to put anything there. But for the mega menu to work for this plugin, you have to create a location. So we're going to the mega menu that says here, and mega menu locations. We're going to add another location, and we're going to name it main. So let's go for main. Okay, I'm going to put my face a little bit over. Okay, main, and let's go and save that. As you see here, I have a short code, and I will copy that. Let's go and copy that again. Okay, and you can create as many locations as you want, and each and every one location will have another short code. Okay, the short code will be different for every location. This is because you may have 3 or 4, I don't know how many menus. You will have different short code to apply that and add them to the front end. Let's go now to our menus. Let's go and refresh here. And now I'm going to check this. So the display location for this menu is the main. So basically we assigned this menu with the short code that we copied. Okay, this is all we did. If you create other menus here, you have to assign them with different short codes, so you can paste them in your front end, in your Oxygen template. So let's go to the next one, and let's create our Oxygen. Let's edit our Oxygen template. Let's go to Oxygen and templates. And this time the menu looks like this. Okay, nothing has happened yet. So let's go to the main template. Too many mains here. Okay, let's edit that. I'm always forgetting to look at the camera. Sorry. Okay, it's loading. And it's loading. Okay, so we're now here. Let's open the structure, and we can see now that we have a header builder here with the header row inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the header row. Okay, so I have 2 header rows. Also, I could just go ahead and add another row, but I want to duplicate that. And you will understand why I do this in a little bit. Let's go to the first one that has already the menu here, and let's go to Advanced and Layout, and we're going to click Now, None, not Now. So we have only one displayed, this one. From this one, we're going to open that up, and I'm going to delete the menu. Let's go and delete that. And here I'm going to add the Max Mega menu. Let's go to Add. We have two ways to do that. We can do it by going to the WordPress widgets, and then down here we will find Max Mega menu. Okay, it's added here. So let's go to menu location. You can select the menu location and hit apply, and you will see the menu here. And now you can grab it and put it right here. But I don't like that, and not the style. I mean, I don't like the way that I'm doing that, and I'm using the short code, because by the short code, let's go and select the short code. Let's paste the short code that we have created. As you can see, it's exactly the same, but here I have a tag and I can select the nav tag. I do want the HTML tags to be in my code, so I'm using the short code, and you can do it the same. So let's save that and let's refresh the page to see how it looks right now. Okay, and we're going to the menu, back to our menu, and we're going to click here that it says enable, and the event will have to be hover, not click, hover. Okay, let's save that, and then let's save our menu. Let's go back to our front end and refresh the page. And as you can see, you will have something like that. Okay, now I think I have put some padding in here. I think, because it's showing me like that. But we're going to see, you will have something like that, a white text with the black background. So we're going to style it by going to the Max Mega menu and then menu themes. The theme is how you're going to style your menu. We are creating themes, and we can create as many themes as we want, and we can assign one theme to many menus or different theme for a different menu. Okay, let's put here a theme title if we want. If you are going to add more than one, you should create some name that you can separate one from the other. Let's go and type something here. Okay, let's save that. Is it saved? Yeah, it's saved. Let's go and refresh this. Okay, so now we are selecting to edit the main theme, which is in the main location. This is what is in these brackets. So let's go and refresh now. Okay, it's exactly the same, of course. And let's go and start styling it. As you can see, here is the arrow, and I'm going to change the arrow. Here I'm going to put this one. The line height is 1.7, z-index, and it has some shadow. I don't want to change any of that. Let's go and save that settings. This is the general settings for the menu, and let's go for the menu bar. The menu bar is the bar here. Okay, the bar, not the items inside the menu. So we have a 40 pixels height. We have the menu background, which is this one. I'm going to put here the white color. Okay, menu padding, menu border radio, and now we're going for the top menu items, which is the items we have here. So let's go for the item font. We're going to take the black, and sizing 17. Theme default, the default family theme. Okay, normal transform, and wait, I don't change any of that. Item font hover. When I hover, I want them to go for a blue. Let's go and find which blue are we using. Let's go here and let's go to manage settings and global styles, colors, global colors, and we're using this blue. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste that in the item font hover. And let's go and paste that. As you will see, I will paste it in hex code and it will be RGB automatically. it's exactly the same. Okay, so choose that, item background when hover, I want them white, I don't want any hover background. And item spacing 0, item padding, I think this is 0 by default, so I'm going to put here, no it's not, it's 10. Okay, so let's go for 10. Okay, and item border, not any of those, so let's go and save that. And as you can see, highlight current item, it will be the hover styling to the current item, so it will be blue. Let's go and refresh that and see how it looks right now. Okay, it's better than it used to be and it was before. Okay, and let's go and continue. The next thing that we're going to style is the flyout menu. Flyout menu is when we don't have any mega menus, it's called flyout menu, so this is the flyout menu. Okay, and let's go and style that. The sub menu background is not exactly white, it's a little bit of gray, but I like it. I will leave it as it is. Okay, the menu sub menu padding, this settings is for this space, so you don't want to change any of that. Okay, it's not for the items inside, it's for the space around the box. So sub menu padding, we don't want any of that. Sub menu border, not any of that. Sub menu border radius. Okay, menu item background as it is. This is for the menu items now. Menu items background hover as it is. And menu item font, let's go for black. And as you can see, the blue that I have selected is always appearing everywhere now in this theme, which is great. I don't have to copy it all over again. And let's go for 16 here. Okay, normal, and when I hover, I want that blue. Okay, save changings, and let's see what we have now, and refresh to see the changes. Okay, as you can see, this is how it looks right now. And menu item height, I think this was something else. Let's go for a 0 to see. I have already created some tests and I have changed many of those, so I think this is how it's supposed to have, you should have, and not like what I have here. But if you change the menu item height or the menu padding, which I'm going to do here, I'm going to add a top menu item padding of 10 pixels. Let's save that and see how it looks right now. Of course, you can play with the settings and see what you're going to get. And we have something like that. Okay, and I don't like the gray here. And let's go and put some menu item height. Let's go for 20. Okay, refresh. And I need a little bit more. Let's go for, I don't know, 50. Maybe it was the default settings correctly. Okay, it's a little bit better. Okay, of course, we don't want to create the flyout menu. We're going to create the mega menu, and that's why we used this plugin. Okay, it's no point to use the plugin to create a flyout menu, except if you want to add icons in front of these words, that you can create it with this plugin. Let's go to the mobile menu. No, let's not go to the mobile menu. We're going to see it later on. And let's go to the mega menus. And this is the style for the mega menu once we have created. We don't have created yet because we must go first to our appearances, menus. And now we're going for the blog. This is the item that has sub menus. So let's go here and we're going to select the mega menu standard. Okay, we have also this layout, the mega menu grid layout, and you can create something like this here, columns with the images next to that or something else. But I'm going for the standard layout and it's automatically saved, but I'm going to click save now. And let's go and refresh here and you will see the difference right now. Okay, of course I haven't styled it yet, but as you can see, it's news, sports and technology. And let's go now to the Max Mega menu, and we're going to style it a little bit. The panel background is gray. The panel border, I will leave it as it is. Title font, let's go for the black, 16. I don't want uppercase, I want normal and normal. Okay, title padding, title margin, border, content font, and let's go for 16. And let's go for the second menu, level items. And the item font should be black. When we hover, we want this blue, and we want the normal and normal. Okay, 16. Item background hover, we don't want any of that. And this is for the third level menu items, which I don't have. Let's go and save that and see how it looks now. Okay, and now you can see that it looks like that. Let's go and take some numbers from GTmetrix again. Because after that I'm going to add icons, I'm going to add images, I'm going to add stuff in my menu, so it will change my this number, this 32 request, because it will have items, it will have images, and it will have something more. Let's go and see what we're getting right now. So 36 requests, okay, only 4 requests, and we have already created some styling with a mega menu. And the sizing is almost the same, okay, of course. And let's go and start creating something else. Let's go to our menu, and here in the menus I'm going to click the mega menu, and I'm going to add an icon next to it. For the news I'm going to add this one, okay. For the sports I'm going to add, let's go to icons, this one. And for the technology I'm going to add this one. Okay, I don't have to save it. Let's go and refresh the page. And as you can see, it looks like that. So at this point, as you can see, the menu is from here to here, and it takes the width of the main bar. So let's go and add some space between here to have a little bit more space and bigger bar here. Let's go to the menu bar, and let's go for the let's see which one is it, the item spacing. Okay, let's go for 10 pixels. Okay, and let's save that and refresh the page. And as you can see, now we have some more room, and now this looks a little bit better. Of course, I want to add images here, so let's go back to our menu, which is right here, and let's go to blog. And now I can select some widgets to add in the panel. So here I can add some widgets. Here are the WordPress widgets, and let's move my face. Okay, and I'm going to add images. Of course, you can add whatever you want. Let's go for images. And you can also change the style. As you can see, it has 6 columns. So this is 2 of the 6. And I can do 1 of 6 or 2 or 3, or I can change everything here. So it's pretty straightforward for me. And let's go and add another image. And this should be on top. Okay, image on top. And image on top. Okay, image, news, sports, and technology. Of course, you can add whatever widget you have here, and you can add plugins to add another widget. If you want a menu to, a button to your mega menu, you should add a widget that adds buttons, and you can just go ahead and select here the button. So let's go to the image, and I'm going to select here, and I'm going to add the image, this girl. Okay, add the widget. Don't forget to click save. Okay, and let's go and add the second image. Let's go to add the image, this one, and save. Of course, you can also link that somewhere. And let's go to the next one. and let's add this guy. Okay, add widget and save. Okay, let's go and refresh that and see how it looks right now. Okay, I think it looks pretty good for a free plugin and for a mega menu. You can create all the stuff that you want. Of course, you can change this width here, but we're now going to change the width at total. So let's go and say that we want the mega menu to be from the one end of the screen to the other. Okay, we want the menu to be in the whole screen. So what I'm going to do is going to the Oxygen template, and I'm going here to the, let's go to the structure, and I'm going to select the header row, and here I'm going to copy this header row. Okay, this is the ID of the header row. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going here, where is the menu? Here. Okay, not here. Where are the settings? Here. This is the settings. So let's go on top, let's go to the mega menus, and here that says panel width, I'm going to paste this ID here. And of course, because we're using the ID, we have to put a pound here, and let's go and save that. And let's refresh the page. And as you can see, I have the menu from the one end to the other. Okay, now as I remember, the mega menu was covering a little bit of my logo, but I have fixed that, and now as I see, it's not doing that, but in your case maybe it will, so I will show you how to fix that. But let's change a little bit something else. As you can see now, I have the menu from the one end to the other. Of course, you can play with the settings and see what it is. But say that we wanted to create the mega menu from the starting of the logo to the end of the menu, so the width of the box. How are we going to do that? It's very simple, but it's not something that it's doing from the plugin. We have to do a little bit of trick, and let's go and add here a section. Let's go basic and add a section. So we have a section right here, and inside the section we're going to add a div. The div should be 100%. Let's move the face. Okay, somewhere the face went somewhere, but I can't see it. Let's see. Okay, I cannot see my face. Maybe it has closed. I don't really care. So sorry if it's not showing my face, but I don't. The tool that I'm using just not showing. Let me pause and see if it's coming back. I'm not thinking it's going to come back. No, for some reason I cannot see my face around here, so it doesn't matter. Let's go and continue. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's go to sizing and spacing, and we're going for the width 100%. So basically I'm going to create a div that it has the full width of the box from here to here. Okay, and of course I see the menu like that because I haven't refreshed the page, but it doesn't matter. So what I want now is the ID of the div. So this is the ID of the div. I'm going to copy that. And now if you remember, the div does not have any size, but the section does, because it does have padding and margin in the section. Not padding and margin, it's just some padding. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going 0 and 0. So now in the front end, the section will not be displayed. So it will be there, but it will not be displayed. Let's go and save that. And let's go now to the Max Mega menu, and I'm going here to paste the ID that I have just copied. Okay. And of course I'm keeping the pound here. So let's go and save that, save changings, and let's go to the front end and refresh the page. Okay, and as you can see now, I have the menu from here to the end of the menu. It looks great for me. And of course, remember that's a free plugin. So the next thing that we're going to do is fix this error that we have with the menu that was covering my logo. Let's go and see how we can do that. I'm going to refresh the page for sure, because I want the menu to be here, displayed here. Sorry for that. I have no idea if it's still recording. If it's still recording, hopefully it does. Okay, so now as you can see, I have something like that. Okay, it doesn't matter because that you cannot see the whole full width, but the space here, the padding is correct. So let's go and click here in the menu, and I'm going to click Style Output. I'm going to hover the blog, and now I'm going to select this div. So as you can see, it was automatically select Mega Menu Wrap Max Mega Menu 1. This is the shortcode that we used to add. This is the short code. So let's go to Advanced and let's go to Sizing and Spacing, and now you can put here some margin, and let's go for 50. Of course it's way too much, but you will see that it will take some margin here. If it doesn't, just put some padding. I think it was margin. No, maybe it was padding. Let's go for 20 and see how it looks. Okay, of course, this is what I changed, a padding or a margin. I don't remember what I changed here because I don't have any more of this problem, but change the padding or the margin and it will be okay. And if you want, you can also put here a friendly name, select some style sheet. I have already created a style sheet, as I can see here, so let's go and check that. And I see that it was from previous testing, so I don't have anything here. So this is how you change the layout here, so the menu will not hover and cover up the logo. After that, we only have to go for the mobile. So let's go first and see the things for the mobile version here. Let's go for the mobile menu, and let's see. Now it says that the breakpoint is 600 pixels, and let's go and see how it looks when it goes to 600 pixels. Okay, and we don't have anything here. Okay, this is from all the styling that I have created. Let's go and see why. Let's go into the Max Mega menu. No, where is this is, okay, I want this one. Okay, structure, and let's go to the section, header builder, sorry, and this is the one that I want. This is the one with the short code. Let's see. Yeah, this is the one that I want. And let's go to the layout. And let's go here, less than 68. Yeah, I do have here select none from the previous settings. So let's go here and see how it looks now in the mobile version. So in the mobile version, you will have, I didn't refresh the page, you will have something that says menu here, as you can see. And let's go and style that. As you can see, the breakpoint is 600. Let's go for an 800. Just to have something bigger. Toggle bar background, I will put here a white. Okay, and here you will select the icon. And if I select the icon, I can choose the text. Now it says menu, and when it's open, it says also menu. The icon is this one. When it's about to close, is this one. The text color of the menu is a gray, but I want black because I added white for the background. And the icon color, I want also a black color. Okay. Okay, this is good. Let's go and select that again to close. And after that, I'm going just to save that. Let's see the menu background. Let's go for white again. And the menu item background active. Let's go for white. Okay, the font should be black. And the font active should be blue. Okay, I think I'm all right here. Let's go and save and see how it looks. And if I click here, you will see that I have this mega menu. And when I click in the blog, I have the mega menu here. So of course I have two problems now. First, I don't want when I click the menu to have this padding. It pushes down the content of the page. So let's go and fix that. I'm going here and I'm going to check the overlay content, so it will not push the content of the page. And if I want, I can also force full width. Let's go and save that and see how it looks right now. Okay, and when I click, I can see that it's full width now. And of course, when I click here, I have this menu. This is the mega menu that I created. Now, for this plugin, it doesn't have any switch that I can check. So if I don't want this mega menu to be displayed in the mobile version, and I don't want to be displayed in the mobile version, I cannot disable it. Okay, you have to create another line. You have to create another line in the short code, and not another line short code. You have to create in here in the menu another item like blog, and then go into the mega menu and select that you don't want to be displayed in the mobile. So you have to do it like that. But I think it's easier if you do it from the Oxygen template. So let's go to the Oxygen template. And this is why we started by duplicating our header row. So here in the header row, this is with the short code, as you can see. I'm going for the less than 768. It was 68. Yeah, 68. And I'm going to apply none. So it will not be displayed when the screen is less than 768. And of course, I need this header row to be displayed under that. So under that, I will go for a blog. Okay, this is the header row with the menu of the Oxygen element. Sorry for the mistakes. I hope that you can keep up. So let's go and refresh the page. And of course, I have put here 800, and this will create not a bug, but something weird here. And you will see that right now. Let's go and resize the page, and you will see that this is from the mega menu, because I have selected 800 and the breakpoint is 768. Okay, so now let's go and select something smaller here. Remember to put smaller than the breakpoint of the Oxygen template. And let's refresh one last time. And now, as you can see, I have here the mega menu. And if I go for a mobile version, I will have the menu from the Oxygen template. This is from the Oxygen menu. And I think I'm good to go. Let's go and refresh here and see how much requests do we have now. And this video has finished for me. Okay, I have finished what I wanted to say. Hopefully you understand everything. I think it's a great free plugin, and you can create Max Mega Menu easily. And as you can see, 39 requests to 32, only 7 requests more. I think it's great. And I have added images, icons, and I have selected full width menu, Max Mega Menu. Okay, so this was all for me, guys. I will see you all in the next video, but maybe you will not see me in the camera. I'm very, very smart guy, yeah. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.